Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Lens for the week of May 18th to 22nd, 2026. Last week, geopolitics dominated markets. US-Iran peace talks drove crude oil down 8%, with WTI settling around $95 per barrel. That oil relief flowed into bonds. The 10-year Treasury yield eased to 4.57%, while the 30-year pulled back from a 19-year high above 5.19%. Equities responded positively, with the S&P 500 up 0.8% and Nasdaq gaining 1.2%. Small caps outperformed as lower oil and rates improved sentiment. Meanwhile, the Fed signaled a hawkish stance, with April minutes suggesting more hikes if inflation persists. Last week brought dramatic swings across tech and retail. Nvidia fell 1.8%, despite posting $81.6 billion in Q1 revenue and guiding next quarter to $91 billion, a classic beat, raise, sell reaction. ARM bucked the trend, surging 10 on Nvidia's read-through, with Jefferies calling its $16 billion 2031 guide conservative. Walmart beat on sales with e-commerce up 20%, but pressure on low-income consumers kept guidance cautious. Intuit plunged 20% after cutting 3,000 jobs and trimming TurboTax growth targets. Meanwhile, Spotify soared 12%, unveiling AI-powered song covers and targeting 1 billion subscribers by 2030. The chart tells a striking story. The blue line tracks where futures expect the Fed funds rate to land at the end of 2026, and it's repriced sharply higher over the past 2 months. The Iran conflict reignited inflation concerns, and FOMC minutes turned more hawkish. With Kevin Warsh now confirmed as Fed chair, the easing bias has disappeared from the curve. The market is no longer asking how many cuts are coming. It's asking whether the next move could actually be a hike. That's a fundamental shift in positioning investors need to watch closely. Here's what to watch this week. U.S. markets are closed today for Memorial Day. On Tuesday, May 26th, watch for consumer confidence and durable goods orders, key indicators of economic health. Earnings season continues with AutoZone, Hera, Salesforce, and C3.ai reporting through May 27th. Also watch Samsung's labor vote on their pay deal and potential OpenAI IPO filing on Friday. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.